Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time since I have done the video because as you all know that I'm currently studying in 8th sem and I'm also busy. I was doing an internship under VTU and just now I've completed it and in my college also all the formalities regarding all the report submissions and all the final internship evaluations and these months were busy for me, so now finally I've completed my college, everything successfully, and now I'm a bit free, not completely free because from the next month onwards I am stepping in the corporate world and I'm doing an internship. This is a serious internship, guys, not like VTU. Okay, serious internship. I've got the privilege of doing an internship in the ONGC company. Okay, so I won't reveal the company name yet because I'm still an intern. So yeah, that was the one thing I wanted to tell you guys. One more thing is regarding the PC OEC updates. I am really sorry that I have I was not possible to do the videos regarding the PC and OEC updates. I know most of you were waiting for my videos, but trust me, guys, I was not at all free. I was completely busy, and there were a lot of updates to be shared through this PC and OEC. Now, most of the, I guess 95% of the people, I guess, they have completed these PC OEC courses along with the exam successfully, and VTU has just put a deadline, not now, just 2 to 3 days back, that 19th May you need to be completing all of them. That they have extended it, and today is the last date to complete all the PEC OEC exams. They have extended it to till today. So this video was made with the purpose to tell you guys to please complete your exams because do all the formalities which is given by the VTU correctly in order to get the degree certificate in the end. With the due to this stupidity of VTU, you are not preferred to get a backlog. So please don't carry a backlog because of this stupidity. For I truly believe that this is complete stupidity. Like this PEC OEC courses was a complete trash. Okay, this website itself, what they have built, right? It is not at all standard and not at all appreciable. That because more than 10 to 15 lakhs of final year students are going through this, and this is the quality of the website that they built. Okay, so I know it's a bit late now, but still, this was not a good move from VTU, and students have suffered from this. And the only thing which was okay, which was done good by the VTU is related to their exams for the PEC and OEC. That is, they have conducted the exams and they have kept some rules, and the most of the students have followed the rules, but some of them, including me also, have not strictly gone through the rules. And yeah, copying was not that difficult, but still for us students also we didn't have any option because watching the videos with this quality of website, it's not at all affordable. So I hope all of you have completed this procedure of VTU of all the PEC and OEC, and please let others know, those who have not completed yet, to complete it because today is the last date which is given by VTU. I don't know whether they would be extending it or not, and in a few days time they would be announcing the results also for the 8th sem. So be ready for that. And according to me, if you ask me frankly, VTU, I guess they would be passing all of them this time because they didn't have a proper planning for this. Okay, they have made these things in a very urgency because at the beginning they had announced that they would be doing NPTEL courses, and I guess they couldn't be able to tie up with the NPTEL, and I guess this is the last plan which they had made, which was completely trash. So I guess if you don't write the exam also, I guess they would be passing you guys. Okay, it's according to me, I think in that way. I don't know about what others think. So I've seen a lot of updates in YouTube regarding these PC and OEC courses, which was done by other YouTubers, and I have followed that, and they have given some good instructions. But I guess none of the videos would be reaching VTU, as you guys know that VTU be having one fixed plan, and they won't be listening to us and all. Based on that only, they would be providing actions. So yeah, so these were the things which I wanted to tell you guys because after a long time I had done this video. So please complete all the procedures from the VTU, and don't carry any backlog. Try to clear all the backlogs and start your corporate life from now onwards, and start it with a fresh slate of mind. Yeah. So all the best for all the 8th sem students, those who have passed out and become a graduate, and do well in your life, do good. Okay. So this was one thing about the 8th sem I wanted to tell. The next thing is related to the my channel, that is now for the other semesters, that is sixth sem people are having the exams in a few days of time. That is first exam, that is embedded system, VLSI and all. So for them I wanted to tell that please subscribe to our channel. Okay. So I've observed that the subscription rate is very low. Like the viewers are watching our channel, but more than 60% of them are not subscribing to my channel. So please do subscribe, guys. Okay, your subscription would be very very important to us. This is one community which is representing under VTU for the branch electronics and communication proudly with around 25,000 subscribers. I want it to reach a lot more number so that this community would be worthy enough to be uh, challenging VTU, and we provide all the genuine contents based on the latest VTU syllabus, and we make your life easier by providing these videos. Already, all this you could see all the playlists here for all the subjects from the third sem up to seventh sem. All of the subjects I've covered it. Okay, you could be seeing all the subjects are there here. Okay, starting from third sem up to seventh sem, everything is there. Regarding the sixth sem, again we have updated the playlists. Okay, previously we have done it here, and here we have
So hello
updated it.
everyone,
So you could be seeing
welcome
this
you all.
playlist. So here you could be seeing all the videos are available for embedded systems, which is the first exam. Okay. Also for VLSI, we have updated the playlist as well. VLSI also, all the 5 modules along with all the lab experiments are also done in this playlist. Okay, go through these playlists and refer them. And some of the videos I've kept for only for members. Okay, take the membership, it would be definitely worthy enough for you to score good marks. Okay, for all the 6 sem, these were the two main subjects. One is embedded systems and VLSI. Coming to other professional and open elective subjects, and I've done one subject video, that is digital image processing. So that is there, and this time I've planned to provide for other subjects as well under open elective course. Not all the videos, like all module wise videos are not possible, but I'll try to provide you the passing packages as usual for the latest exam for all the subjects. Okay, including all the 4 subjects under open elective course as well as embedded and VLSI. Passing packages would be updated as usual, and it would be definitely helping you guys. Previous year question papers also would be discussed, and I would be analyzing each one of them and letting you know the most important questions for the exams in order to make you pass and boost your CGPA. Okay. So this was the thing I wanted to tell for all the sixth sem students. And after that, after a month of time, fourth sem students also are having the exams for them. For them also, I've already updated the playlists. Okay, that is related to control system and electromagnetic theory. So control system playlist is also updated here, as you could be seeing. All the 5 modules videos are already updated. Your job is to watch all of them. I would be keeping these videos under membership soon, so that it would be accessible for all the members as well. And trust me, guys, why I'm keeping this in membership, because most of them would be having complaints that it would be reducing your channel growth, this, that, and all. I have taken a lot of efforts to build these videos, especially this subject, that is control system. So I thought that for my efforts, keeping it in the membership is worth it. And this is not a big amount, guys. I'm only asking you to pay less than 60 rupees, that is 59. Okay, only 60 rupees is enough, and you will be accessing the complete playlist, not only one subject, all the subjects like control system, EMT, for all the fourth sem, all the subjects, only for rupees 59. Trust me, guys, it would be better. Like for one sem you would be sitting in the class paying around 50,000 for one semester, right? I'm asking only 60 rupees for you guys for all the fourth sem subjects. Whatever you have not understood in class, better than that you would be understanding in this channel. So that's why, guys, pay the amount, pay the membership, take the membership and watch all of the videos, especially for this subject, because I've taken a lot of efforts. I've struggled a lot. I've taken a lot of time, and these sums are very very difficult. till now I guess all the fourth sem students have got to know the difficulty level of this subject, but still I've tried to made as easy as possible, covering all the most important questions for all the five modules. So please refer this playlist, guys. This is the very important playlist, and I've taken a lot of time also to build this playlist. Okay, this is one. Along with that, passing packages, model paper solutions are also available. Check out in the playlist section, and also electromagnetic theory as well. For this also, this is not that difficult subject, but still, all the five modules are available. So go and check out. All the videos are available along with the model paper solutions, passing package, everything. For the latest batch also, I would be doing some additional videos for these two subjects, some additional problems, passing packages, important questions, and all the previous year papers discussed everything in detail. Latest videos also would be available, so don't worry about that. Also regarding the other subjects for fourth sem, that is principles of communication systems, microcontrollers, and those who have taken microcontrollers, I have a junior with me, like he's like me only, who is very good in making videos. I've hired him, and he would be making the all the five modules videos for the subject microcontrollers. Okay, so that also in a short amount of time he would be making the videos and sending me, and I would be uploading in this channel. Okay, so stay tuned for that as well. So yeah, so these were the subjects for fourth sem. So this was it, guys. These were the things which I wanted to tell you guys, as I had not done videos for a long time. I'm free now, and for around 15 to 20 days I'm free. After that, my internship would be starting in the ONGC company, as I've told you in the beginning. So in these 20 days I would be trying to cover as much as possible for you guys, and making you score good marks and boost your CGPA, because keeping a good amount of CGPA when you leave after 8 sem is very very essential, because most of the companies now, because the competition is very high, so that's why they would be just shortlisting based on your CGPA, based on your rank. Okay, that would be the first step. They would be checking your CGPA first, then they would be giving preference to your skills. Okay, so because the competition is very high nowadays, students are uh, in every batch students are increasing, so that's why firstly they would be checking the CGPA. Not all the companies, whichever companies come to college and whichever companies you go to interview, everything they would be checking first. They would be checking the CGPA. Okay, so maintaining a good CGPA is the first priority which you need to be giving. Okay, so please do that, and also study well. Try to cover all the subjects, don't carry any backlogs. Okay, yeah. So these were the updates which I wanted to tell you guys. Please share this video, like this video, subscribe to our channel. Again, I'm telling guys, subscription rate is very low. Those who are seeing my videos are not subscribing. Please subscribe to our channel, and I would like to say thank you for the latest milestone which I have achieved, that is around 25,000 subscribers. So within a 2 years of time I have achieved this, and this is a very proud moment for me. So yeah, that's all guys. Do stay updated, inform all of them about all the updates which I have given in this video. So that's all guys, thank you and all the best.